Well, hello, I'm back again, and I'd say it's nice to see you again, but of course I don't really see you, and if I said it's nice for you to see me, that would be presumptuous, wouldn't it? But time for part two, week two of our online course, and at this point, by now, you should have, well, let's see, you should have gone through the orientation module and be comfortable working with Blackboard. I mean, I know it's not a great system. I don't love it, but that's what we have, and that's what we're using. So you should know how to use that at this point. And you should have gone over the syllabus, of course, and if you still have any questions, feel free to post them. And you, of course, should have introduced yourself by now on the discussion board. If you haven't done that, then please do so, as that's really the first task, and you'll note that there was some discussion about the syllabus and a little clarification as well on the discussion board, so please do review that if you haven't already. And you also should have gotten a hold of our two required texts. Writing for Digital Media by Brian Carroll, there it is, and Blogging by Jill Walker-Retberg. And the reading assignment for this week is the first chapter in each one of these. In the first chapter of Brian Carroll's book, there'll be what is hopefully a review for you on writing well, and just general pointers about how to write well. You don't have to take everything rigidly as an absolute must, but they're good guidelines to keep in mind. To be precise, be active, be aware, be direct, yada yada yada. You get the idea. So please do go over it, and of course revise it, then revise again. That's very important. When you're doing this, key to good writing, even among the best of writers, is revision. It's editing, revision, proofreading. You don't go with your first draft, and be sure to use spell check, but don't rely on spell check alone. Go over the stuff. This is going out in public. You want it to make the best impression possible. Okay, the other reading for today is the first chapter in Retberg, and Retberg goes over what is a blog, and that should be helpful in getting you started and thinking about it. And she talks about three types of blogs, and the filter blog, which in some ways services like Twitter and the status updates on Facebook and even Tumblr have taken that over. She also mentions the topic-driven blogs, which is really what we're talking about here as well, and the personal blogs, which can be, quite interesting. But as I've been trying to get across, I mean, for this course, we want to do a topic-driven blog. I mean, that's going to be the best for our purposes and for your own purposes as well. And that really brings us to the point of this week, and I'm going to give you additional material on this. For the readings, we'll go to the discussion boards to discuss them further. For your assignment, though, you got to start your blog. So you should have been thinking about and hopefully have picked your topic. It should be something specific and, again, topic-driven. Think about something that you feel like you know a lot about, or that maybe you want to know a lot about and start to go through the learning process, something you're passionate about, something that you find fascinating. and make that your topic. Remember, you're not wedded to it for life, just for the course of this semester. So you should have your topic, and we'll go over in a separate video how to start setting this up if you haven't done so yet. But that's really the big assignment for this week, for you to do, is to get your blog set up, get your initial posts up. The first post is a welcome post, or you want to introduce your blog, and the cliche is to say hello world, right? But say something not quite like that, but something that explains who you are and what your blog is going to be about. And a second post is, we want to do 2 posts each week. And you also want to, when you get your blog set up, you want to share that URL with the class, and we'll work on where on the site for the week after, where we can have all the URLs set up. But for now, you can share them on the discussion boards. So anyway, I look forward to seeing what you all come up with, and I wish you the best of luck with this. And I hope you're excited and raring to go on it, because this is going to be a great experience, I promise you.